again?
The whole point of this event is to not have dirt bikes in ATVs.
Then why wouldn't you put that on the flyer?
I didn't make it, bro. I'm not...
Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Yes sir, on the scooter. And look where we are at, bro. We're at like an abandoned airstrip. And yeah, this is gonna be flipping fun. We're just gonna shred around, vibe. Y'all know the dealio. Yo, what the hell? I didn't even notice he was right next to me doing that. Let's go. Yo, look at these Harleys. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. That is beautiful and ridiculous. Look how big that Harley is. Hey, is that a 1400? 1400?
It's got a 103 in it.
103. Oh, bro, it's huge. Got the Banshee outside. Let's go. How you doing? Yeah, I'll be here until like 5.
I was just telling him, but I got a float. I got to tap in with my boy Moto.
Yeah. Are you from Florida or no?
I'm from Pittsburgh, bro.
Damn.
18 hours.
Jeez. I'm glad to see another dirt biker out here. Woo! Oh, we got bike life homies out here on the freaking abandoned airstrip, dog. Look at this. This is crazy. Yes, sir. Big 450, you heard? Big 450. Let's go. Yes, sir. Why is it? Hey, why your brakes sound like that?
They're race brakes.
They're what?
They're race brakes.
Oh.
So they're like extra fucking, they're extra bitey. You guys not getting kicked out. I'm just giving you guys what the track is telling me. They want no dirt bikes on this tarmac because of what they look like. Because of the oil, whatever have you. So they're cool with all these bikes, but the owners right now are seeing the one Banshee and you two guys, we don't want them on this track. You guys can ride, you're not here. Cool with it?
I mean, that makes no sense.
I'll ignore it. I'm just giving you guys what they're telling me.
Yeah.
They're not kicking you out.
Appreciate it.
Just watch your surroundings.
Again?
The whole point of this event is to not have dirt bikes in ATVs.
Then why wouldn't you put that on the flyer?
I didn't make it, bro. I'm not making the rules.
I know,
I'm
but
telling you what the organizers are saying.
if the organizer is saying that, they should put that on the flyer. Like, we're paying 25, 50 bucks, driving all the way out. Let's just listen. Driving all the way out. You know how frustrating. That's frustrating. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's all the same.
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
You guys over. Right. I'm just telling you, before you get kicked out by somebody not me,
No, yeah.
this is what they're saying.
No, yeah, we appreciate it.
I understand your frustration.
Yeah.
I grew up riding dirt bikes first.
Yeah, all right, appreciate that.
Yeah, I don't make...
So what do we do? We can still ride, and then if they kick us out, it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So guys, I don't know if I caught all that, but literally they tried to kick us out, bro. Or not yet, but the organizers of the event heard that the people who own this like area don't want dirt bikes, and I'm like, bro, like, are you kidding me, dude? Like, y'all allow freaking Harleys and heavy ass sport bikes, but you don't want a dirt bike? It just doesn't make sense, you know? Well, we got the Harley gang here. Well, there goes the next one. That's vibey, bro. Just chilling. And if y'all are wondering, this is a regulated event. We're allowed to be here. The safety team is on standby. Let's go. The girl on the ground, killing it. Let's go. Mob in the ground. Yee! Shredding that thing. Yes, sir. On that, bam, that's 1,000. See? Big boy. God damn. You wheelie it? Well, alright. Well, let's see what you got then, bro. You say you got that shit. Oh, he does got it. Okay. Yo! Oh my god. Alright, he blew my mind. Damn! That was crazy! Ah! Bro, he's just... Yo, he's swagging. Let's go. That was beautiful. Like, I don't know what else to say about that, because that was beautiful. Woo! Let's go! We're outside! Hey! Yeah! Ryan 636, you already know you're getting it. Woo! Let's go. Straight flossing, dude. I don't even know what was that, bro. Hey, killing it, bro. Look at this, bro. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's crazy, dude.
What the hell? Let's go. Oh, brought out the little 90. Okay. Boy, working the mini bike. Rush that bay off. Yeah! Dude, I've never seen that. So sick. Yo, you wild. So sick. Yo, stretch bike. Yo, that's freaking tight, dog. This is, oh, what? Let's go! This is nutty. This is literally... Yo! Damn! That smoke got me. Bro, his tank says F Joe Biden. The tank! That's dope. Boys going in. Woo, DRZ. Now look at the nose manual. Ooh. Yeah. That was fire. Look how fast they get into it, bro. I'm like topped out. Sheesh. Let's go. Shit's so sick. And then you know me, hitting a nice little no-hander to a barrack. Let's go on the DRZ.
Yes, sir. What up, dog?
How you doing?
Good. How you been?
Good, bro. Hot. A little hot.
Dude, hot as shit.
Right?
I'm going black like an idiot. Idiot.
So me too, a little bit.
Come on, I should know.
Yeah, right? Hey, let's get a clip.
Alright.
Let's do it. The good old DRZ, dog. Woo! What happened, brother? Woo! That's so sick. Oh, I need a Harley in my life, brother. Start getting that drifting going. Homie kills the Supermoto, bro. Yes, sir! Let's go. Hey, you killing it, bro. Hell yeah. I gotta lie, he's working that freaking Supermoto. I'm too scared to swerve on this freaking material. Oh! Yeah, usually you don't see many people swerving supermotos like that, bro. Hey, where are you from?
St. Louis, where I ride.
Damn, okay, okay, that's far.
Yeah, it's far. We got hella traffic.
Nah, yeah. Woo! You already know, me and the boy on the big 450. Yo! Alright, I wasn't expecting him to floss like that, brother. Event. Go! Well, on the one wheel! Yo, that is wild. Let's go. We'll be on the one wheel chilling. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was crazy riding like a drag strip mixed with the airstrip where airplanes used to land. Freaking dope. Shout out Winter Alliance for hosting this, you know, event. Shout out the safety team. I freaking love you. Until next time, gang. Peace.